Hello and welcome back to another video from inside the Denali Design Lab. So here behind me we have the all-new Gen 3 2022 KLR 650, and we've got it in the shop for development this week. In a previous video we went over the entire electrical system on this bike, and in this video we're going to be covering all things visibility and safety. So that for us is going to be our T3 turn signals, our B6 brake lights, our SoundBomb horn. We're going to show you what we developed, how we developed it, and how to install it in your bike. Let's take a look. So we're going to start off on this KLR with a super slick install of our T3 Switchback turn signal modules. You can see right here that we have them mounted in the factory reflector location, and we'll be providing a replacement reflector in the kit if you want to keep that on the bike. And we've got that mounted on both sides, super clean, tight to the bike. And what I have draped over the front fender here is an example of our plug and play wiring harnesses. So if you take a look at this harness, what you'll see there is those white connectors go to the T3 modules, the gray and black connectors plug into the factory turn signal on your KLR, and this 4-pin connector is what plugs into the headlight. So we're going to get that installed, all plug and played into the bike, and then we'll show you what it looks like turned on. So with the T3s mounted to the forks, all we have to do is plug and play the adapter to the bike. So that completes the install of these T3s, and look how good these look with the factory LED headlight on this KLR. Those are going to be the white DRLs that come on and off with your ignition, and this is synced with your turn signal. So you get the switchback amber functionality that cancels back to white, and when you key off your bike, those are just going to go right off with the ignition. So moving to the rear of the bike, we went ahead and developed a plug and play T3 rear lighting kit for this KLR. Here are the T3 switchback modules mounted to our license plate mount, which is a universal part, but we went ahead and developed the vehicle specific plug and play adapter. So this is a simple connection to your KLR. Here's that adapter hooked into the wiring harness under the seat, and we've just connected to the factory brake light with a plug and play connector, and the factory left and right turn signal. We have the small 4-pin white connectors that our T3s plug into, and that completes the installation. So with these rear T3s all wired up, you're gonna see that they have the same switchback functionality on the front, but we're using a red LED for brake and a yellow LED for turn signal. So Greg's gonna key on the bike, and that's gonna be your running light. When he grabs brake, you get a super bright brake light, and then when he hits his turn signal, you're gonna see that they flash amber in sync with the factory turn signals. Now we opted for the T3s on the back of this Kawasaki KLR, but I did want to show you guys that we also have a really low profile brake light only product. That's our B6. It bolts right up to the license plate there. And for this KLR, we've developed a plug and play adapter that plugs directly in line on the brake light circuit for a super quick installation. So let's move to the side of the bike here, because we cannot leave out our super loud SoundBomb air horns. This sucker is our SoundBomb original, and it's putting out 120 decibels, which is going to be 4 times louder than a traditional disc horn on your motorcycle, which is about 2 times louder than a horn in your car. So this is bolted up on this side of the engine case on our bike-specific horn mount. It bolts up super easy, and wiring is just as easy. So we have our universal horn wiring harness laid out on the seat here, and all you need to do is add the relay that comes with the horn, connect the ring terminals to the battery, connect these spades to the factory horn on your bike, and then just connect these right-angled spades to the horn itself. So the last thing we want to show you is a little bit of a bonus product that we've developed for this KLR 650. If you look through the windscreen, you can see our quick release wireless phone charging mount mounted directly on a low profile mount to that 14mm accessory crossbar. Here's what it looks like from the front, and Greg's gonna demonstrate the easy one-handed action of getting your phone in there. That's going to charge your phone and provide you an awesome view right next to the factory speedo. And we provide a wiring harness solution that makes wiring it just as easy. This is a simple low profile USB that you can zip tie right up into your factory wires to keep it super clean, and that's just going to plug directly into the battery. Thanks for tuning in, guys. As you can see, it really is that simple to get some of the most premium lighting and visibility products installed on your KLR 650. Definitely plan to subscribe if you guys want to be notified when we release the additional videos in this development series. Upcoming next is going to be a video that's going over all things auxiliary lighting, installation, and control using our newest dial dim lighting controller, so stay tuned.